All right, so it's it's a beautiful evening. It's been a long day. It's a Saturday. I worked all day today on personal projects, and now I get to have some fun time driving my DKW home. Stella's in the back seat there. Pretty sure she sees a squirrel. She's pretty erect. Always looking for a squirrel. But I got to point out my bumpers. If you notice, I've got new bumpers on the back. They're not new. They're original to the car. But they're new to me because it's been years in the making. Got the car in 1996, so that's 23 years. Started getting serious about restoring it about 10 years ago. Painted the car and just painted the bumpers now, 10 years later. So I'm still missing the chrome trim that goes along there, but I cut off my exhaust pipes, put chrome tips on because now I know where the tips will end to keep exhaust from coming in the car. But these things were mangled, just really, really in bad shape. And I know bumpers aren't really that impressive, but these took me a long time. And then for the front, let's walk around there. Hey, what are you doing? I got the chrome polished up, and I got the overriders polished up, and I felt like there was a blank spot in the middle, so I made a aluminum bracket and I polished that and then put some fog lights on it. I think it looks pretty cool. Yellow car with yellow fog lights, and just kind of sets it off. Maybe everyone doesn't think so, but this bumper was really twisted as well. So now we're going to go for a drive. Going to come for a drive with me in a 2-stroke 3=6 DKW Sonder Classy. That's right, the DKW. You like my sparkly hubcaps? They were so pitted and dented that I actually painted them with silver and then put some sparkle metal flake in them. When the sun hits them, they get really sparkly. In fact, I might even show you that. The sun's probably on this one here. Well, a little bit. There's a little bit of sparkle going on. Not enough sun to really make it worthwhile. Okay, Stella, let's go for that ride. Again, this is a 900cc 2-stroke. Has wind-up windows. I'm going to wind this one down. It's warm. And I've already started it up. It's 4 on the tree. Turn our key. Hear our fuel pump come on. Press our button. Let's let that starter wind down. There she caught. Idling about 1,000 RPM. Put her in first gear. E-brake off. Make sure the dog is still here. Yep. And away we go. So much fun. What a day. What a day to enjoy a little 2-stroke melody. Any cars coming? No, we're good. We'll rev her up a little bit. You notice there's little shift indicators on my speedometer there. So we shifted to 30 miles an hour into out of second and third. Third gear goes all the way up to 50, which is about 6,000 RPM. So I put her in fourth, and we're going to cruise along. All right, it's been a fun Saturday. It's about to get even funner as we make our way home and go out for dinner. Hope you guys are having a good night. Oh, red light. That's all right. Not too bad. It's not too hard to bear a red light when you're in a DKW. Thanks for watching.